Hello. As you can know, on my channel I've had for a long time only laptops and gameplays. Now I will try, or I will make phones too, and why not maybe some reviews on old phones. This is an iPhone 7. It's my phone also. I want to change its battery inside, as right now it's currently not holding as it was when it was new. Let me see if I have what I need a little bit. Alright, looks like I forgot my screen. I don't know how to say this. You need to pull out the screen with this black plastic air, I don't know. You need what you know what is this is. I don't know what is called or how to say about it. Let's start. For an iPhone 7 you need a pentalobe. I believe I said correctly. Pentalobe 0.8. You have to remove the screw on the bottom of the phone. In order to get to its components. One screw is removed, and now the second one. Careful to not lose these two screws. Now use the plastic air locker, I believe it's called. It locks the air and you can careful, do not pull the display too hard because you may break it. Take something like this. It's okay if you have a plastic one. I don't have a plastic tool that will work, and I will use a metallic razor blade and pry the display a little. You see, now it has opened, and use your nail to pry more the display. The first time you open this, it will have an adhesive around the edge. It will be harder for you to open it. I don't have the adhesive anymore because I have opened my phone before this. After the screen is open, you need to shake a little bit, and careful to not damage the ribbon cables that are inside. One is for the speaker and one is for the display. Looks like I'm missing a screw inside my phone. I didn't know about that. Alright, let me put this a little bit back, as I need small, I believe, Phillips screw. A cross, how I say screw, a small cross. screw head, remove 4 screws that are inside. I have only 3, I don't know where one is. I hope not inside my phone somewhere, and I hope it will not ruin my phone. Remove the shield along with the screw itself. My screw looks like it's not, screwdriver looks like it's not magnetic, so I will need to use a pair of pliers. Now pop off the battery connector, and you will have around here 2 magic pull strips. Pull that out and you can take your battery out. Now I don't have magic pull strip because as I said before, my phone was open before and don't have these types of things. So my battery should, in theory, come easy off, as I only have some dual face duct tape to keep it in place. Remove any residue that you might have. Let me bring my duct tape. Alright, I bring my duct tape, and this is a 2-sided duct tape. If you have, it will come in handy. Take your new battery. I hope that is a battery that is for this model and not for other. Take it out from your bag. See if it's the same size. Looks like it is. It's the same size, same milliamperes, same voltage. Alright, take your new battery, put 2 strips, or 1 in my case, 1 strip of white tape on the back of your battery. Careful not to puncture it. Peel the white protective layer from the tape. Now stick it into your phone and place it. Then put back your connector. I think I damaged my connector here a little bit. No, it's alright, it's not damaged. Okay, apply some force to stick the battery back inside your phone. Do not move around when you're carrying it. I will try to see if there are any screws remaining in my phone. There are not. Now I will carefully push back display connectors, and I will put back the shield for the phone. you need to hold it in place in order to first, if you don't have a screw like mine, on which I don't have a magnetic head, put the screw into your screwdriver, then put it on hole, then screw, then tighten it back. Now only one remaining. Oh my god. Looks like I cannot. Alright, I managed to keep the screw on, but not for long. Now I'll try to put the screw inside the hole. Okay, let's try to see if the phone powers up. Yes, it powers up. That means you are done your repair and you change your battery correctly. Now let's wait for the phone to power up. Until that, you have three mounting plastic that needs to go inside here on this edge of the display yes, and you need to push it a little bit in order to fall under the case itself. Push your display back securely in place. Now you should be ready to close your phone. Okay, never mind, just put it on the hole itself. It's big enough to hold it in your hands. Be careful to work on a table with something white like I have to see where your screws are. Now tighten this screw up. Alright, then the second one. And that's it, your phone is working. You have a new battery inside it and you can enjoy it to the full potential. Thank you and see you next time.